Find the sum of first 51 terms of an AP whose second and third terms are 14 and 18 respectively. See here, what is given? Second and third terms are given. So second term given, A2 is given, that is 14. Next A3 is given, that is 18. Now we will find the sum of first 51 terms. A2 means what? A plus D equals to 14. Say it is 1. A3 means A plus 2D equals to 18. Say it is 2. Okay. Solve 1 and 2. Solve 1 and 2. Okay, what is 2? A plus 2D equals to 18. What is 1? A plus D equals to 4. So do subtraction. So then sides are changed. So positive and negative cancel. 2D minus D is D. 18 minus 4 is 4. Therefore the value of D is 4. Okay. Substitute D equals to 4 in 1 or 2, your wish. 1 is better because this is a small equation. So what is 1? A plus D equals to 14. A plus D value 4 equals to 14. So A equals to 14. 4 transpose right side minus 4. Therefore A equals to 14 minus 4 is 10. Okay. Now we will find sum of first 51 terms, that means S51. What is Sn formula? Sn formula is n by 2 into 2a plus n minus 1 into d. Okay. Now S51. So 51 by 2 times 2, a value 10 plus n minus 1, 51 minus 1, d value 4. That equals to 51 by 2. 2 times of 10 is 20. 51 minus 1 is 50 into 4. So 51 by 2 into 20 plus 54 is 200. 51 by 2, 20 plus 200 is 220. So 2 how many times? 110 times. So 51 multiply with 51 times 110. So 0, 11 1 is 11, 1, 11 5 is 55 plus 1, 56. So 610. Sum of S51 terms.